Step 1. Turn off the display, remove the screws and open the cover. Step 2. Disconnect the red and black power cables. Power on to discharge residual current. Step 3. Strip the sheath of the three-phase wires and unscrew the bolts. Step 4. Remove screws with a 3 mm wrench, disconnect terminals and take off cable ties. Hold the front section with your left hand, pull backward slowly with your right hand. Do not pull forcibly. Step 5. Take the 5 mm wrench and unscrew the screws, remove the brake caliper. Step 6. Remove the end covers and screws on both sides with a 21 mm wrench, then take off the motor. Step 7. Install 2 mm gaskets and hooks on both sides, mount motor, coat threads with thread locker and tighten all fasteners. Step 8. Install the brake caliper, apply thread locker to the T-screws and tighten them. Step 9. Insert the taillight wire first, then the three-phase cable. Pull the cable out slowly when you feel resistance at the front. Then fit the cable tie. Step 10. Fit rubber sleeve and tighten screw. Note: match yellow wire harness to yellow connector. Connect green harness to green connector, separate other terminals and wires to avoid pinching. Connect blue harness to blue connector, insert Hall harness here.